Guys, good afternoon. Today I will explain a little about narrative text. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Akaindra Wahyunajiha, absent 32 from 10.5. Number 1. Definition of narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells a chronological story in the past tense. Number 2. Kits of narrative text. Well, this narrative text consists of several kits. The types of narrative text include number 1. Fairy tales, mysteries, horror stories, sci fiction of romance, and many more. Generic structure of narrative text. There are 4 generic structures of narrative text, namely, number 1. Orientation is the opening part of a narrative text story. This section introduces the characters in the story as well as the background of the story, which includes the setting of place, time, atmosphere, and social conditions. 2. Complication. This section contains the problems that occur in a story. In more detail, the complication is further divided into 3 parts, namely 1. Recent action. Problems begin to appear. Number 2. Climax. The climax of the problem. Number 3. Failing action. The tension of the problem begins to decrease and begins to find a settlement point. 3. Resolution. This section contains the completion of ending of a narrative text story. A story can be closed with a happy ending, a sad ending, or a culture ending. 4. Reorientation. The last part of the structure of the narrative text usually contains conclusions, moral message, or moral fall, or change in character traits in the end of the story. The reorientation is optional because it does always have to be present in a narrative text. This is an example of narrative text. Thank you guys. Bye.